Does GoDaddy use Outlook? Yes, GoDaddy integrates Microsoft Outlook into its email services, particularly through its Microsoft 365 offerings. This integration allows users to access their GoDaddy email accounts seamlessly via the Outlook application, benefiting from features like email synchronization, calendar management, and contact organization. 1. Setting up GoDaddy email in Outlook. To configure your GoDaddy email account in Outlook, follow these steps. For Microsoft 365 email accounts, open Outlook. Navigate to File greater than Add Account. Enter your Microsoft 365 email address provided by GoDaddy and select Connect. Enter your password when prompted and select Sign In. Follow any additional on-screen instructions to complete the setup. This process ensures that your email, calendar, and contacts are synchronized across devices. Site turn 0 search 0 for professional email accounts. Open Outlook. Go to File greater than Add Account. Enter your professional email address and select Connect. If Outlook doesn't automatically detect your account settings, choose IMAP. Input the following server settings. Incoming mail server, IEMAP.SECURESERVER.NET port, 993. Encryption method, SSL/TLS outgoing mail server, smtpout.secureserver.net, port 465. Encryption method, SSL/TLS. Enter your email password when prompted and complete the setup. This configuration allows you to manage your professional email through Outlook effectively. 2. Benefits of using Outlook with GoDaddy Email. Integrating your GoDaddy email with Outlook offers several advantages. Unified interface. Manage multiple email accounts within a single application. Advanced features. Utilize Outlook's robust tools for email organization, scheduling, and task management. Cross-device. Synchronization. Ensure consistent access to emails, calendars, and contacts across all your devices.